Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. Everyone today, it seems like, is looking to make money in the online world, but sadly many of those people have no idea how to go about it. If you are someone who is confused about the process, then relax, there are great tips to help you in the following video. Get started today by watching about different ways to make money online in the video below. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Try to keep your sources of income diverse. Nothing is a given in the online world. What's working for you on this day could change later on. So diversify your talents and work on having a few smaller income streams rather than just one large one. By diversifying your income, you can have income even if one opportunity begins to underperform. Making money online is a great way to earn a living, or just a few extra bucks. After watching the above video, you see how simple it is for you to get involved in this process. The best way to go about it is to constantly seek new tips and ideas on how people are making money online. Since you just read a great video about the subject, you are already ahead. Student loan.